Grade 10, Section Q completers. Raven B. Apines with honors. Joanna D. Colinares with honors. Princess Nicole I. Concepcion with honors. Princess Angel T. Cristobal. Princess Arabella M. Juarez. Jocelyn Y. Cobello. James Tyron Z. Cortina with honors. Gerald D. Takaya with honors. Mary Joy H. Dador with honors. Maria Martha Taduna with honors. Joseph A. Dael with high honors. Princess Nathalie R. Davi with honors. Maria Erica Joy M. Galion. James M. Dato. RJ D. Tawaton with honors. Stephanie Gale A. Daydayan. Rian E. Decamota. Elenea Bench de Guzman with high honors and recipient of Leadership Award. Angel L. De Grano with honors. Ashley Nicole P. Del Rosario. Nicole F. De Los Reyes with honors. Arieza Marianel S. De Mafiles with honors. Maria Dolores Ann A. De Yocareza with honors. Charlie A. Gaiparini with honors. Eliza May L. Divinoto with honors. Ella L. Dolier. Ashley Nicole M. Dolor with honors. Jessie P. Dolorito. John Prince D. Dumasi with honors. Keith Nathaniel D. Duazo. Jezeline P. A. L. with honors. Ray S. Encarnacion Jr. Basil Ann D. Enriquez. Raymark N. Espino with honors. Lerna D. Estrella with honors. Lance Andre F. Pericol with honors. Cherry Home H. Francisco. Mary Jana R. Francisco. Euphilia Venice S. Necesito with honors. Arian Angel R. Macabenta with honors. Lance Adrian V. Bagalianes. Kyle Gabriel N. Resus. And Ian Chila R. Tibuyen with honors. Congratulations. Next is the advisor of Grade 10 Section R, Mrs. Gertie A. Bigtas.